So leo nataka kuongea about power generation, specifically coal power generation. So a bit of background, unaona in most industrialized countries, coal imekuwa a very important stepping stone, especially for power generation. In fact, ukiangalia most countries ambazo zimeindustrialize, there is no country ambayo ninaweza point to that ili jump hiyo stage ya coal production of power anywhere in the world. Na hata sahi with modern technology, ukiangalia most industrialized countries, a lot of them ambazo ni powerhouses in industry, most of them zinatumia to some level coal production kama a power source. Na nitakupea a bit of figures ndio niweze kuback up my claim. So ukiangalia in China coal production of power ni 59%, India 73%, Japan 30%, South Korea 30%, Australia 46%, Poland over 50%, Germany over 24%, na hata zile countries ambazo ziko sema industrialized ama zina deindustrialized, which is about Europe 12% na US 16%. Ukinotice most of those countries mentioned need countries that have actually access to some of the highest levels of technology in the world, anywhere in the world. Yet to some extent, all of them ziko na some reliance on coal as a percentage of their energy production. Ukikuja Kenya tuna produce less than 4,000 megawatts of power. That is not nearly enough kuanza ku industrialize. In fact, it's actually very only enough for bare minimum requirements. Seme kama ku light nyumba yako ama ku charge phones na vitu kama hizo. But for industry, hawezi itumia. Hiyo ni almost non-existent amount of power. Just for context and comparison, South Africa ambayo ni a country in Africa ina produce 39,000 megawatts of power. Na ukiangalia hiyo 39,000 megawatts of power, most of it ina come from coal, around 85%. So between sisi na a country like South Africa ni around 35,000 megawatts of power. So anyone ambaye anajaribu ku set up industry will not choose Kenya as a competitive place ya ku set up their industries. Na yet ukiangalia in South Africa, hata sahi, although they are producing 39,000 megawatts, bado wana struggle in production because they need to onboard more energy. Ebu imagine sasa sisi. Which brings me back to Kenya. Ukiangalia in Kenya, kuna sisi access yetu to coal ni almost tuko na a lot of coal ambayo inaweza onboardiwa as a power production. In fact, nataka kupea tu a few statistics ambazo zina support your fact. So unaangalia in Kitui tuko na potential of almost 1 billion tons of coal ambayo inaweza tumika for power production. Na hiyo hata that is before hata uingie into other places about kama Lamu, Meru, Isiolo, all these places ziko na large coal deposits. Na ni venye hata Kenya hatuja explore hizo most of those places ambayo ziko na coal deposits. If tungekuwa actively tuna explore such opportunities, I'm sure we'll even detect more. Kuonboard hizi power projects za coal, especially in these areas kama Lamu ama Kitui for example, ina add almost 1,000 megawatts almost instantaneously, like almost immediately into the power grid. Na hiyo ndio the kind of things sasa unaweza build industries on. In fact, hata nataka kukushoka ambayo which is something that is actually very crazy. Especially hizi heavy industries kama cement making na steel, juu zina require a lot of energy, wanakuaga lazima wanunue almost like a special permit ku-import coal. So there is actually coal importation ambayo inaendelea right now in Kenya, but tuna miss out on that opportunity. All our revenue sasa inaenda to other countries, yet already tuko na all that coal easily available to us. Na hii ndio one of the main point of these videos ni kujaribu kuchange watu mind yao about energy sources kama coal. Lazima tujaribu kuchange hiyo mentality that coal ni a dirty source of energy. Yes, it is, but nakwambia you actually need it as a stepping stone to build to the next level. So especially within the next 20 and 30 or 20 to 30 years, sisi kusema tunaweza taka kuwa an industrialized country without coal production, I think tutakuwa tunafanya almost something, tutakuwa tunafanya hesabu ya minus, in my opinion. Kulikuwa na a bunch of projects ambazo zilihave kustoliwa, especially kulikuwa na a lot of pressure ya climate activists na NGOs za kujaribu kukatel production ya coal production of power. But now that hiyo wave at least to some extent imeanza kudie down, bana, hii ndio the right opportunity kujaribu kuonboard some of these energy companies bana. I think tunafaa as much as possible, mi nitakuwa tuna reach out to a few companies ambazo zilikuwa in the process of kupushi hii story ya kuonboard coal energy. Kama unaweza taka kuwa involved, unaweza reach out to us, tuone kama tunaweza push hii mambo, kubring level of power production ya Kenya to the levels that ambayo inafaa, ndio tuweze at least ku industrialize. Asanteni.